Hello, my name is Billy, and today I will be showing you how to use and make things with the Cricut. Cricut is basically a machine where you put a piece of vinyl in, and it will cut out whatever you want it to cut out, like a name or logo, and many other things. So, let's get into the video. So, right now we are walking to our parts that we need for the Cricut. Right here is where you will find the actual Cricut with the things you need to plug it into and the power cable. Up there is our transfer tape, which we will be using later. And over here is your mat. You always want to use the blue one, never the other colors. And this is the vinyl thing. It's kind of locked right now, so I can't bring it out right now. So this is what your setup should look like at the moment if you have all the materials that I showed you literally 2 seconds ago. It doesn't have to look exactly like that, but whatever. Now, with what you guys are going to do, you're either going to sign in or make a new account. What I'm doing is I'm going to sign into my account, but you can go over here to Cricut Create ID or Create Cricut ID, and you do that. Now, we're here into our canvas, so I'm going to make my name. So you're going to press the text, which is right there on the left bar, and you're going to enter your name on the keyboard. So I'm going to put Billy, as I do right here. It's a bit laggy. So take your time with that. And we always want it to be at the very top left, because if it's anywhere below, it might mess up our cut. And it's very easy also to line it up perfectly on the top left. You can also do stuff like change the font, size, color. You can also change the font in general. It doesn't really matter if you change the color. It won't make a difference in the cut at all. So that's kind of useless. But if you want to do that, make it look cool, I guess you can do that. Now we're gonna go and make it. Now we're on the grid, so you want to make sure it's all lined up with the blue mat that we have, and we're gonna continue over here, and you will connect your Cricut. Here we are. You want to make sure once you're done connecting your Cricut, you want to choose the material as adhesive foil. For the one that I'm using, at least, it is very reflective, and it's basically like foil, and it's adhesive. So you're gonna wanna. You are looking at my screen right now. What you want to do with the vinyl when you cut it is line it up. So as you see here, my lettering is 3 by 4. So you want to make sure that you don't undercut it too, because then, as you see there, my Y would not be finished. Right? So that's very important. So we're going to put the vinyl on our grid tape, and yeah, when you put that on, you will move this aside for now. As we go to our computer, when you're cutting, you want to make sure that your material is, well, the material you're using. In my case, it is adhesive foil. It really depends, and it really matters, because if you put the wrong one, it will cut either super thin or just big, and it won't be right. And you see that button flashing, it means you have to put the grid tape with your vinyl inside, and you'll see these little, I don't really know what they are. They're kind of holders. And then you want to make sure it's under the rollers and press the button. And it will roll it in, kind of scan the area a little bit, and then the Cricut light will flash too, and you're going to want to click that. And once you click that, it will start hacking away at that vinyl. And all you have to do now is just trust the process and wait till it's done. As it is almost done, and it's now done. What you want to do is click that flashing button that you saw on the Cricut, and it will roll out. And one thing with peeling off the vinyl, you want to peel off the backing, not the actual whole thing. So I lost the footage of me using the transfer tape, sadly, so I'm just using this guy's footage. So basically what you want to do is peel off the transfer tape, use the clear side, and you're going to put it on top of what the backing that you removed. Um, Basically, once you squeegee it down like this guy's doing from front and back, you can only do front, you can only do back, doesn't really matter. I encourage you to do both sides, make it, sticked onto it. And what you want to do is put that, sticky tape that you put down, you want to peel back off, and your lettering will go with it. If it doesn't come off, try and do it again, and maybe bending it and just trying to get it on, really. Sometimes it won't come off properly, and that's a pain. This part is definitely one of the hardest parts of this. So then you're going to put it back onto the thing you want to put it on, like your Chromebook, your phone, or whatever, anything really. And basically, you're going to want to flatten it out. You can squeegee this one too, like this guy does here. Don't do it too much because it could ruin the vinyl. And then you're just going to want to hold it down and peel it right off. And then you're done. Hello, so I just want to say thank you for all the people who watched this video, and I hope this helped you make whatever you did with your Cricut. So, yeah, that's all I have to say, and have a great day.